In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a transaction in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're correcting an accidental entry or simply cleaning up your records, knowing how to properly delete a transaction is an essential skill for maintaining accurate financial data. QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting tool, and with just a few steps, you can safely and efficiently remove any incorrect or unwanted transactions from your files. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to create your account and get started. Now, let's get right into it. First, make sure you're working in the correct company file. It's important to double-check this, especially if you manage multiple businesses, as you want to ensure you're editing the right set of records. Additionally, verify that you have the appropriate permissions to modify transactions. Without proper access, you won't be able to make any changes. Once you're ready, look to the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From there, select the option labeled Accounting. This will take you to the section where all your financial accounts are managed. Next, click on the Chart of Accounts tab. This is the area where you can see all the accounts associated with your business, such as checking, savings, or credit card accounts. From the Chart of Accounts, locate the specific account that contains the transaction you want to delete. For example, if the transaction is tied to your checking account, look for that in the list. Once you've found it, click the View Register option for that account. This will open the transaction register, which is essentially a detailed log of all the activity within that account. Now it's time to find the transaction you wish to delete. If the register contains a lot of entries, you can make use of the sorting and filtering tools QuickBooks provides to narrow down your search. For instance, you can filter by date or transaction type to quickly locate the one you're looking for. Once you've found the transaction, click on it to expand and reveal its full details. This step is crucial because it allows you to review all the information associated with the transaction, such as the date, payee, amount, memo, and any attachments. Double-check everything to ensure you're deleting the correct transaction. Mistakes can be avoided with a quick review. When you're confident you've selected the right transaction, look for the Delete option and click on it. QuickBooks will then prompt you to confirm the deletion. Take a moment to read the confirmation message, and if you're sure, proceed to confirm the deletion. Once the transaction has been deleted, refresh the register to ensure that the entry has been removed successfully. This step is important as it provides immediate verification that the transaction is no longer present in your records. As a final step, if needed, you can review the audit trail in QuickBooks Online. The audit trail is a useful feature that keeps a record of all changes made within your account, including deleted transactions. This allows you to confirm the details of the deletion and ensures everything remains transparent and accountable. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a transaction in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.